Attention, the market has officially shifted to home buyers. As a real estate agent who also is a real estate expert, I can confidently say that now is the perfect time to buy a house. The current market trends show that the house prices are going down, which means you can get more value for your money. But why this is the problem? Many people actually don't want to invest in real estate because they worry about the cost. However, by waiting way too long, you could miss out the great deals and end up paying more in the future. The solution is simple. Take advantage of the current market condition and invest in a house now while prices are low. So, as a experienced real estate agent, I can guide you through the entire process and help you find the perfect home for your needs and budget. So, don't miss out on this opportunity. Call me today and let's start your journey to home ownership. And if you want to buy or sell or invest in real estate, reach out to me. And also, if you want to learn how to analyze properties and buy your first rental, give me a follow and join my live on TikTok on Monday to Sunday around 1 to 2 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.